crystal clear waters of Moreton Bay are at the end of the street. Elevated position on the crest of a hill. Welcome to 51 Pitt Street. On a hot summer's day, you can feel the bay breezes just rolling. This home will seriously impress from the moment you walk through the front door. Endless accommodation from the 3 large living areas, the 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's got room to stretch out and enjoy. Extra added bonus is the high ceilings. You have solar panel. So living at Redland Bay, you may have that boat and caravan. Easy to park here. It's going to be hard to find one better.